familial responsibilities and the complexities of their relationships. However, complications arise due to the behavior of his older brother. Upon returning home with stolen goods, Biddu's actions illustrate a stark contrast between immediate gratification and the potential erosion of trust within his family. Stealing from a family member prompts ethical questions, probing the values of trust and respect that should underpin familial relationships. Biddu's justifications reveal deeper issues at play. Confronted by his father about the missing money, Biddu faces allegations of responsibility during a recent shop sale, a moment that incites a defensive reaction from him. In a bid to shift blame, Biddu targets his brother, which exacerbates the tension within the family. Meanwhile, their father recalls earlier warnings concerning Biddu's conduct in the shop. As the discussion shifts to daily responsibilities, the dynamics within the family become evident. Biddu's unwillingness to help starkly contrasts with his brother's eagerness. To settle the ongoing dispute between Biddu and Mitha regarding milk ownership, their father proposes a clear division of responsibilities aimed at restoring harmony. Mitha's reaction to this decision underscores the competitive rivalry between the brothers. Although he agrees to the arrangement, discontent simmers underneath. Biddu's frustration peaks when, after Mitha milks the cow, he discovers there is no milk left for him. This reality intensifies the conflict and dissatisfaction between them. Feeling sidelined and increasingly frustrated, Biddu watches as Mitha dominates the cow's milk supply daily. This imbalance exacerbates the ongoing conflict in their home. Unbeknownst to him, Mitha's father considers his son innocent, fostering misunderstandings that complicate their familial ties further. The narrative emphasizes trust and communication failures among family members, as Biddu resolves to confront the issue directly, demonstrating a commitment to resolve the conflict. The scene of milk extraction symbolizes the prevailing distrust within Biddu's family, echoing broader issues of honesty and accountability between him and his father. The father's response to what he perceives as theft illustrates a severe strain in their familial relationship, underscoring how suspicion can erode familial bonds. Finally, the father's drastic decision to expel Biddu and his wife exemplifies the lengths he will go to uphold his values of trust and loyalty within the family.